Imagine this, an aircraft worth nearly $700 million packed with radar, communication systems, and battlefield command technology. Taken out not by a fighter jet, not by a ballistic missile, but by something small, cheap, and almost impossible to detect until it's too late. Welcome to the new reality of modern warfare. Recently, military analysts began studying images from a precision strike on a high-value airborne surveillance aircraft positioned at a major Middle Eastern airbase. What made this incident so unusual was the damage pattern. There was no massive explosion, no complete fire damage, no scattered wreckage across the runway. Instead, the aircraft appeared to be struck at one exact location, almost like a surgeon's cut. The front section suffered catastrophic structural damage, but the most important loss was above the fuselage. The aircraft's rotating radar dome, its electronic eyes, was completely destroyed. Sections of the rear fuselage and tail, however, remained surprisingly intact. To defense experts, this tells us something important. This wasn't designed to destroy the whole aircraft. It was designed to destroy what mattered most, its brain. So what kind of weapon creates damage this precise? Many analysts point toward loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze drones. Unlike traditional missiles, these systems can search, identify, and attack specific components with extreme precision. They fly low. They're difficult to detect. And most importantly, they cost only a tiny fraction of their targets. A weapon worth thousands can disable a platform worth hundreds of millions. That changes everything. Aircraft like the Boeing E-3 Sentry are not simply radar planes. They are airborne battle managers.